Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best electric hair clipper available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best electric hair clipper, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Kensen S16 Body Hair Shaver Kit. Personal body groomer includes 3 different trimmer heads. Quick change, interchangeable heads for easily trimming different areas of your body. 3-in-1 meet your needs at daily life. Just the trimmer you've been looking for. Ergonomic men's body trimmer uses V-shaped head to easily shave in even narrow and hard to reach areas such as the back, bikini, private areas and buttocks. You can trim every corner without any fear. Skin protective blade technology. IPX6 waterproof design, whole body washable, comfortable grooming in or out of the shower. Rinsable under running water, easy to clean. The trimmer is ready for operation. 90 minutes of continuous shaving after fully charged. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia Hair Clipper 2. The blade is coated with 2 layers for enhanced durability and reduced friction-related discomfort during use. With a wide range of length settings, users can easily achieve various hairstyles. The strong motor ensures clean and precise haircuts. 2 speed options cater to different hair types, gentle for fine hair and powerful for coarse hair. Equipped with smart pressure regulation, it ensures smooth operation and prevents hair from getting caught. The digital screen provides real-time information on mode, maintenance, travel lock, and battery level. It supports USB Type-C charging, allowing flexibility in charging from various devices. The clipper can be fully washed under a tap, ensuring easy maintenance. With a high-capacity battery, it offers over 180 minutes of usage on a single charge. Number 3. Professional Hair Clipper 8000 APM. Professional hair clipper designed for precise and effortless haircuts. Powered by an ultra-fast 8000 RPM motor for quick and smooth hair cutting. Equipped with a large capacity battery for long-lasting usage without frequent recharging. Enhanced with DLC-coated blades for precise and comfortable trimming, preventing skin irritation. A state-of-the-art hair cutting machine, perfect for professionals and home users alike. Suitable for haircuts of all styles and lengths, making it versatile for different hairstyles and needs. Number 4. Clippers HC231 Professional Hair Trimmer. Clippers HC231 Hair Clipper Kit equipped with basic hair cutting accessories can perfectly trim different hairstyles, suitable for home haircuts and hairdresser using in barbershop. The barber clipper has premium sharp blades, sharp tip and R-shape edge. No snag and tug. Ceramic moving blade can help you get a quick haircut. Clippers HC231 Professional Electric Hair Clipper for Men uses a high-performance 8000 RPM DC roach. Number 5. 7000 APM Kulilang R55F Professional Hair Trimmer. Soft glue switch, comfortable operation. It is applicable to ordinary and oil head. Black titanium steel blade, DLC coating. Long-term use does not get hot, sharp and not jammed. Feel the gear change. Stepless adjustment function. 6000 RPM 7200 RPM. LED intelligent status prompt. Power display, refueling prompt.